Imagine this. You swing your hand toward a fly, fast and sharp, but to the fly it looks like a slow-motion earthquake. Most animals just react to danger. Flies practically predict it. They don't literally bend time, but their biology makes it feel like they live in a different timeline from ours. While we see the world at around 60 frames per second, a fly processes nearly 250. That means 1 second for you feels like 4 full seconds for a fly. Everything you do, every movement you make, is stretched, slowed, and magnified in their perception. Your quick slap becomes a huge, predictable arc moving through thick syrup. And the reason is hidden in their eyes. Human eyes have one lens. A fly has thousands, each one a tiny, fast-refreshing sensor called an ommatidium. Every one of these lenses samples the world separately, and together they create a hyper-detailed, hyper-updated reality. Add to this a lightning-fast nervous system and ultra-responsive muscles, and you get an animal that reacts so quickly it's almost unfair. To a fly, danger is never sudden. Nothing ever appears out of nowhere. Everything unfolds early enough that it has time to escape, and that's why you almost never hit them. What feels instant to you is a slow process to them. What feels like a surprise to you is a warning they caught long before. In their world, your movements are clumsy, slow, delayed. To them, you are the giant creature who moves like you're trapped in slow motion. And this is the wild part. If humans had the fly's tempo perception, everyday life would feel like watching the world in super slow motion, water falling like syrup, cars drifting instead of speeding, and every blink stretched into an eternity. Flies don't just live in our world. They live ahead of it. They survive by outrunning time itself.